Welcome back to Vision Podcast number 3. In this podcast, we will learn about another fascinating topic, biomedical applications of MEMS devices. These are tiny, mighty systems that are transforming medical fields from disease diagnostics to drug delivery. Hereby, I welcome our expert to shed more light on this. Let's kick off things with the basics. For our viewers who are new to MEMS technology, please explain what MEMS stands for and how it is contributing in biomedical field.
So thank you very much for inviting me to discuss about the MEMS. So absolutely the MEMS stands for Micro-Electro-Mechanical System, which are tiny devices that combine electrical and mechanical components at a microscopic scale. So particularly when we are considering the role of MEMS in the biomedical realm, the MEMS are game changers. They are used in diagnostics, drug delivery, surgical tools, and much more because they can manipulate small volume of fluids or tissues with extreme precision. So it is like having a tiny surgeon or lab technicians right at your fingertips.
That's a really great introduction. Now moving on to something that's even more exciting, MEMS in disease diagnostics. Can you explain how MEMS are being used to detect diseases and why are they so effective?
Yes, certainly. MEMS devices, specifically biosensors on chip, revolutionizing the way we diagnose diseases. The compact size of these devices makes them ideal for quick, on-the-go diagnostics, and they can be used in everything from glucose monitoring to detecting the cancer biomarkers. So, the beauty of these devices lies in the ability to perform multiple analyses simultaneously, known as multi-analyte detection. So, these capability provide results with higher sensitivity and accuracy than traditional methods. So, imagine being able to get quick, on the go diagnostics for everything from the glucose monitoring to detecting cancer biomarkers, all thanks to these compact devices.
That's really impressive. Now let's talk about drug delivery. MEMS devices are being used to control the precise release of medication which is critical for conditions like diabetics. How can you explain to our viewers MEMS technology is helping with the controlled release of drugs and how it is impacting patients' care?
Yes, I think this is a great question that you have asked. So, in traditional drug delivery systems, patients often face challenges with an inconsistent medication dosing, especially when it comes to chronic conditions. So, MEMS devices improves patients' health by allowing for on-demand controlled release of drugs. This means they can deliver the exact amount of medication needed at the required time. So, for instance, in diabetes care, MEMS enabled systems can monitor blood glucose levels and release the insulin accordingly. So, this personalized approach helps to reduce the risk of overdose or underdose, thus improving the patient's outcome and quality of life.
This all sounds very promising, but what are some future prospects and challenges for MEMS technology in biomedicine?
Yes, you are right. So I think the future of MEMS in biomedicine is very bright. So we are seeing advancement in areas like wearable health monitoring devices and implantable sensors that can track real-time data. The potential for MEMS to enable personalized medicine, treating the patients based on their unique needs, that revolutionize healthcare. So, however, the material used for MEMS devices must be very safe for long-term use in the human body, and manufacturing them at a very large scale for mass adoption is still a hurdle. But with more than 80,000 patents filed in this area, makes the related innovation on the horizon.
Before we wrap up, what are the key takeaways you want our viewers to remember about MEMS in biomedicine?
Sure. So, MEMS technology is basically driving the future of healthcare, providing us with innovative tools for disease diagnosis, personalized drug delivery, and minimally invasive surgeries. As a research continues to advance, these devices will only become more integrated into everyday healthcare and making the treatments more effective, efficient, and accessible. So, it is an exciting time to be involved in this field.
Thank you so much for being on the show today. And thanks to you all listeners for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and leave a review.
Thank you.